Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable GPU rasterization in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Opera GX is a gaming browser and enabling GPU rasterization can further improve its performance by using your graphics card instead of the CPU to render web pages. This helps in a smoother scrolling, faster loading, and better overall browsing experience. Since Opera GX is based on Chromium, this feature is available through GX Flags. So let's get started. First, open Opera GX browser on your computer. Now click on the address bar and here type opera://flags and then press enter on the keyboard. This will open experimental features page. Here in the search flags box, type GPU, scroll down, and beside GPU rasterization, click on the drop down menu, choose here enabled option. Now click on the relaunch button. Once Opera GX restarts, GPU rasterization will be enabled. You should now notice better performance, especially while browsing heavy or graphics rich websites. If you face any issues, you can set it back to default. That's it. This is how you can enable GPU rasterization in Opera GX on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.